Hi, I'm Ryan Bayer, and I'm here with Kenneth McCow, and this is our project on Asian deserts. This is the habitat section of our project. While capable of reaching temperatures above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, often deserts like the Gobi Desert reach temperatures of -40 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter and sometimes even lower than that. This is dry, but drastically different temperatures range causes a lot of interesting peculiarities in the biome's habitats. Conditions fluctuate in each desert uniquely, changing drastically from scorching summer days to frigid winter nights. The weather cycles are subjective to the desert as well, the desert receiving the most water being the Thar Desert, which can get up to 20 inches per year, mainly occurring in the monsoon cycle season. And the desert that receives the least amount of water in a year is the Kizilkum Desert, which can get as little as 4 inches of water on average a year. Asian desert habitats range between deserts, but besides their heat, Asian deserts are known for their intense, dry cold. Biotic factors include plant life, cacti, chias, and animal life includes coyotes, snakes, lizards, spiders, and scorpions. Some of the abiotic factors found in the desert biomes include sand and erosion, as well as drastic temperature changes and extreme lack of moisture and precipitation. The habitat issues in the Asian desert include global warming, higher temperatures, and human impact. Global warming has been having a profound impact in deserts all over Asia. Due to global warming, it is increasing the incidence of drought in southwestern Asian deserts. With higher temperatures, there is an increase in wildfires, altering landscapes and reducing the amount of slow-growing trees and shrubs, ultimately affecting the animals and wildlife. Humans also play a huge part in affecting desert habitats with common practices in Asia such as herding and animal grazing. These practices are turning semi-arid areas into deserts as well as destroying natural desert landscapes. These human antics can cause massive desertification in Asia. Other practices like off-roading and gold mining can also have huge effects. This begins the population dynamics section of our project. Desert food webs share certain common factors all over the world, and that remains constant in Asian deserts as well. The food web of all habitats starts with the producers. Asian deserts plants include numerous cacti and shrub species, or in the deserts like the Thar where monsoon rains can occur, or the Kizilkum where water dissipates very slowly, sparse perennials and salt marshes can arise. Next come the primary consumers, which are normally small herbivores like desert rabbits or insects. Secondary consumers are normal, small desert carnivores like the various snake and lizard species in deserts. These carnivores normally eat the smaller primary consumers like the rabbits, rats, and insects. Lastly come the tertiary consumers, which are the biggest carnivores in Asian deserts. These include coyotes or mountain lions, which are common in the Rocky Mountains of the Gobi Desert or even in some smaller desert habitats. However, common in almost every desert around the world is the scavenger, the vulture. The vital white-rumped vulture is prominent in all Asian deserts other than the Taklamakan due to its inhospitable 23,000 square miles of sand dunes. Emigration and immigration in Asian deserts is not often done by the common organisms of the desert habitats. The one organism that does often migrate is the different bird species. Mainly during the rainy season in the southwest, birds from the Middle East fly through deserts such as the Kizilkum, Karakum, or Thar for their rainy seasons, to escape the intense heat of the Middle East. Invasive species in Asian deserts sometimes play huge roles in desertification. Native plants such as athel trees and natal grass have replaced naturally occurring Asian desert plants such as the phacelia and Chinese parsley in the Gobi and Taklamakan deserts. In some areas of the Taklamakan Desert, many native herbaceous plants have disappeared. The extremely threatening buffalo grass grows very densely and crowds out native plants, and has actually caused numerous plant species extinctions of certain minority occurring plants in Asian deserts. This begins the conservation section of our project. Conservation is becoming more and more important as desertification increases and endangered species become more and more sparse. The Endangered Species Coalition in San Francisco reported that the world's deserts are amongst the top 10 places where species are threatened due to climate change. This climate change occurs because of global warming and habitat degradation due to human and natural occurrences. Without efforts made to conserve Asia's deserts, the world would lose numerous species known only in Asia, as well as disrupt natural habitats, ruining food chains and cause massive water deprivation. There are multiple ways in which we can stop desertification and conserve Asia's deserts, and these include stopping gold mining and running pipes through the deserts. While grazing and herding is a way of life for many in Western Asia, more efficient use of water is a method that can be employed by anyone. The next topic is the IUCN Red List. Countless animals in Asia are currently on the IUCN Red List for either being vulnerable, endangered, critically endangered, nearly extinct, or completely extinct. Some of these animals include the Chinese cobra, sandcat, Acuna cactus, and the long-nosed bat. The Asian desert's endangered species can only be saved and recovered if we make an effort to preserve what has not already been destroyed. Thank you for watching our AP Biology Ecology project on Asian deserts.